Hello, lovely people. So I've been seeing some comments on my previous video. Some people are confused on the free coupon that the Temu app is offering them and all that. So I'm just going to do a bit of explanation. Right now I'm on the Germany location. I just wanted, to be able to explain with the coupon I'm being offered so it's easy for us to understand. After the whole thing, I'll switch to Nigeria and see if I'll be offered a coupon, and I'll also explain with the Nigeria location. But for now, right now, I just clicked and opened the app, and Temu is offering to give me €100 credits. So I'll just have to click on get now. Now, when they offer to give you anything, whether it is credit or a coupon code, it comes with conditions. They might even tell you you are qualified for 4 free items, but then you need to buy something up to an amount, for you to be qualified to take that 4 free items. So everything comes with, you know, something attached to it. So now I'm offered €100 credit. Get now. I'll click on get now, and let's see. I'll be asked to just choose the cup, and is this one. But even if I choose the wrong cup, they are still also going to give me another opportunity to choose until I get what they want me to get. So I'm just going to read through. Collect the coins. Click on collect coins. So I'm told I'll get 100% coins back. Let's just watch and see how this works. So now they are telling me again to win €100 credits, collect 20 more coins. I click on that. So you see now they've given me the condition. Pick your items to win €100 credits. You see now they've given me the condition. I need to buy something of €20 to qualify. Now what this €100 credit means is that this credit is going to be in my Temu credit. So after picking my €20 threshold item, and I pay for it, and I'm done with everything about this order right now, I can come back to the app. I will see that €100 they promised me in my credit. So let's say when I'm ordering next time, I already have €100 credits in my Temu credits. Then I want to order something on €50. I don't need to pay cash from my card anymore because I have €100 on my app already. They will deduct that €50 from the €100, and I'll have €50 credit left as credit. So I'll show us how this thing works. So now they've already told me I need €20 to claim that €100 they are offering me. So I click on let's say, let me click on this one, 24, and add to bag. Okay, choose a size. And another thing, please, whatever if they're offering you a coupon code or credit back, please take note that you must order from the page they are showing you. So if for any reason you click out of the page, you need to order from the page of these items here. If for any reason you click out of this page, the whole thing is gone. If you go elsewhere, if you go to make your order out of another side, maybe at the home page, it's not going to work for you. So they've given me the condition for what they want to give me, and I have to order from this. You see this list of items. I have to order whatever it is I'm ordering from this list of items. If unfortunately what you want to buy is not in this list of items, then there is nothing you can do about it, but you must buy whatever it is you have to buy from this list of items. So I saw a comment and this is the mistake the person made. The person clicked out and went to the home page to go and make her order. It's very wrong. If you have a condition attached to whatever free gift Temu is ordering you, you must make your order from that page they are showing you. Don't go back to anywhere. So I can check out now, and let's see. So you see at this checkout area is if I click on pay, everything will go and is indicating €100 credit, get coins back. So once I click on pay and I pay, make my payment, I'm getting my €100 credits in my Temu credit, and that is because I've exceeded that threshold they gave me. Remember, they gave me a condition that I have to order something of €20 minimum for me to qualify for this €100. So once I pay for it, I'm getting that €100 credit. Let me take us to where we can find this Temu credit. So they are still telling me check out to collect coins to get €100 credit. Me, I don't want to buy anything, so they really want me to go ahead and buy. This is just like a strategy to make people buy. I mean, it's good. I've gotten so many good offers. Sometimes I've been offered four free items from the list of items that was given to me. I have 4 free. All I have to do is to buy something of €35, and they will even give me, on top of that 4 free item, they will still give me €100 credit back. So I really like the Temu app. Like, they really know how to make everything juicy, and if you're not careful, your money will finish on this app. Anyway, let me show us where the Temu credit is. I'll just cancel this. I'm not checking out. I'll go back. So come to you. Click on the U, what's it called? Click on the U icon and just go down. You see credit balance. You click on it. I have €1.91. I have €1.91 in my credit balance. So that is as easy as that. If I click on use now, it's going to take me to my carts, and then I can make my payments. So whatever it is in your cart and you're ready to make your payments, is going to deduct. Let's say you have something of €40 or 40. I'm sorry, I'm using euro because I'm using the Germany location. But whatever total you have as your checkout amount, let's say you have 100,000 in your credit, 100,000 naira or €100 in your Temu credit. Temu will deduct part of the money first. After they've removed your Temu credit, whatever is left, you can now pay with your card. If your Temu credit covers everything you have in your cart checkout, then you don't even need to. Let's say you have €100 and what you're checking out is just €20. They will deduct your 20 and you have 80 left. So that's just it. I hope this helps. I hope this really helps anyone that is confused. If you're still confused, just comment. I'll read your comment and try to do a video about it. Now let me switch to the Nigerian app and see if, to the Nigerian location, and see if I'll be offered any gift so that I can also explain. So I've switched to the Nigerian app and nothing is happening, so I don't know, but it's the same thing I explained. I don't have to log out and log in again. Nothing. I'm not being offered anything in the Nigerian app, so I'm afraid this is going to have to be the end of it. But I've explained everything I explained. You can implement it in your, for those that are watching me from Nigeria, you can implement it in the app. If you're given a condition, if Temu tells you 2 free or products, or get so amount as your Temu credit back, please, whatever page they show you, after showing you that condition, make sure you make your order from that page, because if you click out, you've missed it. Don't click out. Make your order from that page. I hope this is explanatory enough. All right, shop away and have a wonderful day. Bye.